In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your cells a background pattern or gradient in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to update your cell formatting. This feature is useful when you want your spreadsheet to look more organized, easier to read, or a little more polished for presentations and reports. Excel allows you to style cell backgrounds in a few different ways. Beyond solid fill colors, you can also apply patterns or gradients through the Format Cells menu. Patterns are great for adding texture and visual separation, while gradients create a smoother, more modern appearance. Let's start with adding a pattern fill. Select the cells you want to format. Once those cells are highlighted, press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells window. From there, go to the Fill tab. This is where Excel gives you several options for changing the look of the selected cells. In the Fill tab, click Pattern Style and choose the pattern you want to use, such as dots, stripes, or another subtle design. After that, choose a pattern color, which controls the color of the design itself, and then choose a background color, which fills the area behind the pattern. When everything looks the way you want, click OK to apply it. Pattern fills can be especially helpful in a few common situations. For example, a dotted fill can help headers stand out. A striped fill can make report sections easier to spot, and light patterns can be useful when grouping related data without making the sheet feel too busy. Now let's look at gradient fills for a cleaner, more modern style. Select the cells you want to change, press Ctrl and 1 again, and return to the Fill tab. This time, click Fill Effects. In that window, you can choose either two colors or a preset gradient. Then select a shading style, such as horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Once you're happy with the preview, click OK and then click OK again to apply the formatting. Gradient fills work well when you want a softer visual effect. A light blue to white gradient can look great on dashboards. A green gradient can help indicate completed tasks, and a red gradient can be used for warnings or important status areas. A quick tip here: keep gradients light so your text stays easy to read. If the background is too dark or too dramatic, it can make the data harder to understand. In general, patterns tend to work better for printed reports, while gradients are often best for dashboards or more visual spreadsheet layouts. As a quick shortcut summary, the main path is Ctrl and 1, then the Fill tab, and from there, choose either a pattern option or fill effects for gradients. That's how you can give your Excel cells a background pattern or gradient.